Hello traders, let's analyze today's market together. Outlook for today. I am expecting continued strong selling pressure today. Therefore, our key strategy will be to sell on the rise. Support and resistance. Strong support, 24,500 and 24,300 are very strong support levels. Good support, 24,200 is also a solid support level. Strong resistance, 25,000 is the only strong resistance level. Minor resistance, 24,900, 24,800, and 24,700 will act as minor resistance levels. Global news and economic data releases. OECD Financial Markets Week, Paris online. The 148th session of the OECD Committee on Financial Markets convenes to discuss stable and transparent financial systems. It features the launch of the OECD Global Debt Report 2026 and a roundtable titled The Mounting Debt Challenge, focusing on sovereign and corporate debt risks. ASIFMA Annual Conference 2026, Sydney, focuses on the renewed promise of Asia's capital markets, exploring new dynamics in the region's financial landscape. Geopolitical sentiment. Markets remain sensitive to escalating tensions in the Middle East and their impact on crude oil prices and overall global risk appetite. Domestic and geopolitical events. Middle East conflict. Intense military escalation between the U.S., Israel, and Iran continues to rattle energy markets. Reported strikes have targeted top leadership in Tehran, leading to concerns over the Strait of Hormuz, a choke point for 20% of global oil. Market sentiment. Sentiment is defensive, with an increasing pivot toward gold, silver, and industrial commodities as hedges. But note, today is the Sensex Expiry. Trading scenarios for today. Gap up. If the market opens with a gap up in the previous day high, PDH zone, we will wait for it to sweep PDH liquidity. Once that happens, we will sell, aiming for the gap fill, followed by the previous day low, PDL, and so on. Flat. If the market opens flat and pushes up into the unfilled fair value gap, FVG zone, we will look to sell, targeting the PDL. Gap down. If the market opens with a gap down, early profit booking is likely. We will scalp the gap fill first and then look for selling opportunities. Comment below or DM me for precise live market levels for free.